Ka-52 Alligator combat helicopters in the special operation in Ukraine revealed their full potential and became the main workhorse of the strike force of the Russian Army Aviation. In the operations in Syria, the Alligator was already being successfully used, but its full combat power was not required. Now the Ka-52 has revealed all its potential as the real workhorse of the Russian strike force. Russian ground units are operating due to the backup provided by the helicopters. Army aviation provides cover for columns, support on the battlefield, logistics, solves sanitary problems, and delivers humanitarian supplies. The Ka-52s occupy a leading position in the Army aviation grouping. These are the leaders of tactical groups of combat and transport combat helicopters. The cost of each of these Ka-52s is estimated to be close to ₹1 billion. The high efficiency of the Alligator is achieved by a combination of high power-to-weight ratio, maneuverability, flight performance, and operational characteristics. The presence of an integrated onboard radio-electronic complex, powerful weapons, and an onboard defense system, as well as a high degree of their armor protection. By 2027, the Ka-52 will become even more deadlier with the introduction of about 100 Ka-52M Super Alligator helicopters. As per estimates, it costs about 1.3 billion rubles for one Ka-52M. The new Super Alligator is considered to be much cheaper than the Su-35S, which costs about 2.3 billion rubles, and the Su-57, which costs more than 3 billion rubles. The helicopter has been updated with an enhanced optoelectronic system, allowing it to detect targets at a much greater distance, especially during the night hours. The new AESA radar enables the pilots to feel more confident while flying at low altitudes in adverse weather conditions and detecting ground and aerial targets. In addition, efficient use of the long-range missiles shall be ensured by this new radar. It is also believed that a new light multipurpose guided missile is known as Product 305 will be equipped on Ka-52M and the Mi-28NM. Equipping the Super Alligator with longer-range Hermes anti-tank missiles is also being speculated. The helicopter is being made capable of automatically interfacing with the Strelets surveillance, control and communications complex, which will help the scouts and gunners from the ground directly transmit the coordinates of targets to the crew. The helicopter is said to be equipped with a new digital drive of the 30mm cannon, allowing its user to have a better experience while holding the target in sight, improving the stabilization while shooting, and enhancing the fire's accuracy. On the other hand, the operation of the Ka-52M shall be facilitated in areas with cold climates by the heated blades.
Атака справа, гепард.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Попал. Держи ее только. Вот, молодец.